Hi everybody, welcome to Taste Test Tuesday. Now what we're going to be trying today on Taste Test Tuesday is this here. Now, got 3 flavors and they're the Starburst gelatin. I'm going to see if it tastes like that. Got it in the watermelon. Now you can get these like at Walmart, stores like that. Blue raspberry and the all pink strawberry. So let's give it a try. And it's all right here. So we have watermelon, all pink, and blue raspberry. So I want to try the watermelon first. All right, so let's get this open. I also have water to drink here. All right, so watermelon first. All right. Tastes like watermelon. It's not sweet at all. If you're thinking like these are going to be overly sweet, it's not. Let's see. Although it has 16 grams of sugar and 16 grams of added sugar, and the first ingredient is sugar, but for some reason, that wasn't overly sweet to me. Very strange. Okay, let me get a drink of water to get that watermelon. All right. Let's try the blue raspberry. 1. It smells like blue raspberry, like a Jolly Rancher. It does. And again, to me, it's not overly sweet, guys. That is so strange. Oh, these did come from the Christmas tree shop for $1.59. Right here, you can get them there also. So Christmas tree shop, Walmart, places like that. Again, 16 and 16. And first ingredient is sugar. So, but I kind of like the blue raspberry one better than I like the watermelon. So let's try the all pink. And this is supposed to be strawberry. So we'll give this one a try. They're pretty colors, guys. Nice for the summer. For the kids. I'm getting the strawberry flavor. It's like, you know, your artificial flavor of strawberry. Yeah. Okay. So these aren't bad. And like I said, if you think that they're over sugary or over sweet, they're not, which I find very odd. For the amount of sugar that's in it. Yeah. My favorite, I have to say, though, is the blue raspberry. I like the blue raspberry one the best. All right. Now we're going to try this. And this is the limited edition birthday cake. This is whole milk. You do get this from the Dollar Tree. They also have it in chocolate and vanilla. And this is Shamrock Farms. These cost a lot more in the grocery stores for this brand. All right, let's see if I can get this open. I have scissors here too, in case I can't. Yeah, like they have protein drinks, and the protein drinks are really, really good. I like the protein drinks a lot. Very, very good flavor on it. So let's give it a shake. Oh, now we have another seal. Let's get this open. Hold on, I'm getting there. Okay, looks like your regular. Let's see if I can fix this, get this light. Looks like regular milk there. I tried to take some of that light away. Let's give it a try. It tastes very light on the birthday cake flavor. You know, it's not in your face. I'm getting vanilla frosting. And mostly on the birthday cake flavors, that's what I get anyway, is like vanilla frosting flavor. But that's good. I like that it's not in your face. You know what I mean? Not overpowered with that birthday cake flavor. That's good. I like that. For $1.25, that's really good. And it's 12 fluid ounces on that. Okay. The next thing we're going to try are these. Now, I never saw these before. You can get Little Debbie anywhere, right? But $2.79. They're the Swiss rolls, but in strawberry. So we got Little Debbie strawberry Swiss rolls. So let's open them up and we'll give these a try. So strawberry flavored. All right. Let's break it open. That's what it looks like on the inside. I smell chocolate the most. It's got a lot of the cream filling in it. I like these. Now, these are sweeter than the Starburst gelatin. That's really good, though. Now, again, to me, it's a light strawberry flavor. Get some more milk to go down, wash that down with. Okay. And the last thing we're going to be trying is this. I got these from the Dollar Tree. They're the Kettle brand potato chips. Certified gluten-free, non-GMO verified. It's a 2-ounce bag of the Honey Dijon Kettle brand chips. Now, it says, listen to this. In Salem, or, I can't read that. Oh, I take that. In Salem, Oregon. Let me put that. We reintroduced native plants to over 2-acre wetland and have watched wildlife return, including a family of herons. So that's great right here. And then they planted 5 acres of native tall grass prairie, now alive with the variety of songbirds in Beloit, Wisconsin. Right there. Very interesting. All right. Very interesting. Alrighty, these are from Salem, Oregon, actually. All right. So that's what they look like on the inside. Let me get a drink of water because I'm tasting that Swiss roll. Okay. I smell potatoes. Here we go. No cholesterol, 18 grams of fat in the whole bag. Sugars at 3 gram includes 3. Okay. 32 grams of carbs in the bag. Sat fat is 2 grams. All right, let me just show you. Right there if you want to pause it. Guys, these are good. Wow. I'm getting the honey and the mustard. Oh, it's so good. If you tried these or any of these things, let me know what you thought in the comments below. I have to say, my favorite is this and the milk. These are my 2 favorites. These are really, really good. Big honey Dijon flavor. Wow. Dollar Tree, guys. Let me know if you tried them. Okay, guys, that's it. Taste Test Tuesday for today. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, so let me know if you tried any of these things that I tried today. Also, you can tell me what you tried that's new out there that you'd like me to try. Okay? Okay. So anyway, guys, have a great day. Have a safe day. And until next time, bye now.